Have you ever wondered how to protect yourself from hackers? This is a realm where the battle between hackers and defenders plays out every second of every day. In the current digital age, where nearly every aspect of our lives is intertwined with the internet, cybersecurity has become more than just a buzzword. It's become a necessity, an armor that shields our personal data, financial transactions, and even our identities from those who would misuse them. The potential risks of not taking this seriously are colossal. Imagine identity theft, financial loss, and privacy invasion, to name a few. These threats may sound daunting, but fear not, because knowledge is power. Today, we will explore some practical steps you can take to defend yourself against these cyber threats. Let's delve in and equip ourselves with the shield of cybersecurity. Well, there's a whole rogues gallery of cyber out there. Let's start with the three most common ones. The first one tricks you into revealing sensitive information. The attacker might pose as a trustworthy entity, like your bank or even a friend, and ask you to share sensitive details like passwords or credit card numbers. They could send you an email that looks legitimate, or a link that takes you to a phony website. Once you enter your details, they've got you. It's like a fish taking the bait, hence the name. The second one is more like a digital hostage taker. It's a type of malicious software that encrypts your files and demands a ransom to unlock them. Imagine coming home to find your house locked, and a note on the door saying you have to pay to get back in. It's particularly nasty because it can spread quickly, locking out entire networks in businesses, and even public services. The third one is a catch-all term for malicious software, including viruses, worms, and spyware. It's like a digital burglar sneaking into your computer to steal data, damage files, or just cause havoc. The attacker might use it to spy on you, steal your identity, or turn your computer into a zombie in a botnet. Each of these attacks has its own tricks and tactics, but they all rely on one thing: exploiting vulnerabilities. Whether it's a weakness in your computer's security or a moment of human error, they're looking for a way in. And that's why understanding these attacks is so important. The more you know about how they work, the better you can protect yourself. A little bit of knowledge can go a long way in the digital world. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about software and firewalls, it's about being smart, being vigilant, and being prepared. Knowing the enemy is the first step in preparing our defenses. Now that we understand the threats, how do we protect ourselves? This is where we talk about a variety of tools. These are our shields, our armor, and our weapons against cyber threats. They come in many forms, each designed to counter specific types of attacks. The most basic yet crucial tool in our cyber defense arsenal is designed to detect, prevent, and remove malicious software, also known as malware. Malware is a broad term that covers a variety of threats like viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, you name it. Think of this tool as your personal bodyguard, constantly on the lookout for any signs of trouble, ready to step in and neutralize threats before they can do any harm. The next tool deals with threats that have made their way onto your system, aiming to stop them at the door. In the simplest terms, this tool is a barrier between your private network and the outside world. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic, allowing or blocking data packets based on a set of security rules. It's like a vigilant doorman, only letting in the guests you've approved and keeping the undesirables out. Then there are tools that create a private tunnel for your data to travel through, away from the prying eyes of hackers, your internet service provider, even government surveillance. With this tool, your IP address is hidden, your data is encrypted, and your online activity is anonymous. It's like having a secret passageway that keeps you safe while you explore the vast digital landscape. And there you have it, the basics. Each tool plays a unique role, yet they all work together to create a robust defense against cyber threats. But remember, these tools are not infallible. They need to be regularly updated to deal with the latest threats, and they need to be complemented by safe online practices. These tools, the foundational layer of our defensive strategy. It's time to build upon this foundation and delve deeper into defense methodologies. Stay tuned. But tools alone aren't enough. We need strategies and methodologies. It's like having all the ingredients for a gourmet meal but not knowing how to cook. Sure, you've got all the tools, but do you know how to use them effectively? This is a method of confirming a user's claimed identity by using a combination of two or more different factors: something they know, something they have, or something they are. Think of it like a second, or even third, lock on your front door. It's not enough for a hacker to simply steal your password. They'd need your phone, fingerprint, or facial recognition too. Updates are more than just annoying pop-ups on your screen. They are your first line of defense against cyber threats. Developers continually patch and update their software to fix vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. So, the next time you see that Update Available notification, don't ignore it. The internet is a vast, exciting, and sometimes dangerous place. Just as you wouldn't walk down a dark alley at night, there are places and practices online that are best avoided. Never open emails or download attachments from unknown sources. Be wary of free Wi-Fi, especially in public places. And always your personal and financial information private, unless you're on a secure and trusted site. Because at the end of the day, the best security system in the world won't save you from yourself. Phishing attacks, in particular, rely on manipulating user behavior. They trick you into giving away your information. Always be skeptical, think twice before you click, and when in doubt, don't. In the world of cybersecurity, knowledge is power. The more you know about these defense methodologies, the harder you'll be to hack. Remember, the most robust defense system begins with you. Cybersecurity is an ongoing journey, not a one-time fix. As we delve deeper into the digital age, staying updated with the latest developments in cybersecurity cannot be understated. To keep your knowledge fresh and your defenses robust, consider investing time in online courses. Websites like Coursera and Udemy offer a myriad of courses from beginner to advanced levels. These courses often include real-world scenarios, making them practical and applicable. Validating your knowledge and skills in the field might look like obtaining certifications such as CompTIA Security Plus or Certified Ethical Hacker. The Art of Invisibility by Kevin Mitnick or Ghost in the Wires are books that offer intriguing insights into the world of cybersecurity from the perspective of a former hacker. Computer Security Principles and Practice is a comprehensive guide that covers a wide array of cybersecurity topics. Websites like Stack Exchange's Information Security Forum or the Cybersecurity section on Reddit are also helpful. They are bustling with enthusiasts and professionals alike who engage in lively discussions about the latest threats and defense strategies. Podcasts like The Cyberwire, Security Now, and Darknet Diaries provide the latest cybersecurity news, interviews with industry experts, and riveting stories of cybercrime and its prevention. Remember, the field of cybersecurity is ever-evolving, with new threats emerging as swiftly as the technologies to combat them. Continual updates to knowledge and refining strategies are vital. In conclusion, are numerous resources to help stay ahead in the game of cybersecurity, such as online courses, books, forums, or podcasts. So ensure you take full advantage of them. Stay informed, stay safe. We've traversed the landscape of cybersecurity, starting with the common types of cyber attacks. Phishing scams trick you into revealing sensitive information while ransomware holds your data hostage. The cyber threat landscape is vast and ever-changing. We've highlighted essential tools like antivirus software, firewalls, VPNs. These can protect you from cyber threats. Emphasizing the importance of a proactive approach, we stress that reacting to attacks isn't enough. You need to anticipate them. Cybersecurity is a constant battle, and staying informed is your best weapon. In the digital world, your cybersecurity is in your hands. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and you'll stay safe.